it's Stacy Watson here at Vernon Volkswagen. We just got in this 2015 Golf Trendline. It is the 1.8 TSI turbo with a 5-speed manual. It is a one-owner vehicle with no accidents or claims. It was originally sold here when it was new. It's got mud guards installed, 15-inch alloy wheels. You can see it has roof racks. Tons of space in the back of the Golfs. All the seats split up and fold down. You also got the nice center pass-through. We got two-toned cloth interior, good rubber mats. We have power mirrors, locks, windows, partial power driver's seat, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control and Bluetooth. Nice touchscreen stereo. We have heated seats, air conditioning, and it only has 54,789 kilometers on it. For more information or for a test drive, you can call me or text me at 250-308-4367, or you can email me, Stacy with an IE at vernonvw.com.